Hi. It's actually funny, but turning your phone's entire appearance into gray might just turn out to be a great way of adding more color to your life. Now go ahead, open up your phone, look at all those apps, all those feeds. It's one big coloring book. And in fact, most of the time-consuming apps deliberately use explicit colors to attract your attention. Our brains are made to be attracted to colorful and shiny things. So of course, your phone and apps were designed as such. Now I know it might seem quite dull at first to turn everything on your phone into grayscale, but that's kind of the point. Because everything turns into gray, it's a very effective way of turning your phone into something that's much less fun to use. And that might just be the thing that we all need. Turning your phone into grayscale is free and it can be done in just a few taps, and here's how to do it.
First you have to go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, select Display and Text Size, scroll down to Color Filters, select Color Filters, and then simply toggle on Color Filters. And there you go.
Now I know it might sound a bit extreme, but I would highly encourage you to try grayscale for at least a few days. And who knows, you might actually really enjoy it and decide to leave it on. No matter what, I will guarantee you it will have added a bit more color to your life off screen. Thanks for watching.